My name is Vanessa Baird-Streeter. I serve as the director of the Venettes Cultural Workshop, and I have been part of the Venettes Cultural Workshop since 1967. Mary Baird lived in the Bronx, and when she moved out here in 1965, she realized that there was a lack of activities and extracurricular activities for the students of Wyandanch. She knew the performing arts is really what got her through her formative years and college, and so she knew she wanted to provide that inspiration to other students. She was a dancer by profession herself, so she created the Venettes Cultural Workshop as a way to provide technical training in the performing arts, but using the performing arts as a tool to ensure academic success. So she created it in 1967 in our garage, and by 1968, we had outgrown the garage. And so in 1968, we moved to the parish hall in Wyandanch with Our Lady Miraculous Middle Church, and my father was very instrumental in finding that space for the Venettes Cultural Workshop. She actually taught interpretive dance through poetry. So using poetry of Langston Hughes, using poetry of the Harlem Renaissance to really teach students about history. She knew that if she could impart knowledge upon the students about the contributions of African Americans to this mosaic of the United States and of the Americas, she knew that would be inspirational to them. Students from the neighborhood started telling others, and it was really about exposure to our African American history and culture through the performing arts. As the information and the Venettes Cultural Workshop started permeating the Long Island community, we were able to expand our footprint. So it continues to morph and develop. I think we only had dance at that point in time, and now we have a dance division, we have a charm and etiquette division, we have a vocal division, so we're able to continue to expand and enhance the opportunities that students have to participate in the performing arts. My mother was diagnosed with terminal cancer in 1991. So one of the things that she asked was, Vanessa, would you consider continuing to run the Venettes? And it was like, how could you even ask me, would I consider? Of course I will continue with the Venettes Cultural Workshop, because I think it makes me the person that I am today. So I think the legacy continues in each and every one of my students.